are you today?
Fine, teacher.
Today our topic will be about comparative and superlative adjectives. And the objectives of this class will be that you will be able to know how to spell comparative and superlative adjectives in English and the difference between them. You will also be able to practice the pronunciation skills. You will be able to practice syllable stress in comparative and superlative adjectives. And you will also compose a simple descriptive writing about your family using comparative and superlative adjectives. Now, the materials that we will be using in this class are a computer, a projector, a comparative and superlative review video, a printable reference study sheet of the morphological spelling and pronunciation, rules for forming comparative and superlative adjectives. Let's warm up. Do you remember when we use comparative or superlative adjectives? How are the comparative and superlative degrees formed in one-syllable adjectives? And what about an adjective that has two or more syllables? Now, I'm going to ask, do you remember when do we use comparative or superlative adjectives?
No, teacher, I don't remember.
Okay, I will help you out and I'm going to write down the board some comparative and superlative adjectives so we can remember. Now, I'm going to explain the adjective with one syllable form, their comparison degree by adding ER, and for the superlative degree, add EST. So, for the adjective that has two or more syllables, we use more or less, and most or least to make comparison. Now, let's go to the engagement activity. We have sentences. I'm going to ask you to fill in the blank the correct degree of comparison of adjectives. So we have the first sentence. Read after me. Julius is than Randy.
Julius is than Randy.
Good. Jasmine is the of them all.
Jasmine is the of them all.
And then we have the second one that it says, my hair is than yours.
My hair is than yours.
Which star is the amount than what you saw last night?
Which star is the amount that you saw last night?
Okay, now you're going to use these adjectives. In the first sentence is healthy. The second one is neat. And the third one is bright. Now, we're going to think a little bit, just a little second. And I would like someone to give me the answer so we can do this, okay? For number one, we have Julius is. Remember that the adjective we're using is healthy. So tell me what would be the correct degree of comparison adjective that we're going to use.
Julia is healthier than Randy.
Correct. Why? Because it says that with one syllable form, the comparative degree, we add ER. So good. We're going to write healthier. Healthier. And what about Jasmine is the Of them all. What will be the answer?
Healthiest.
The healthiest. Repeat. Healthiest.
Healthiest.
So Jasmine is the healthiest.
Of them all.
Healthiest of them all. And now we have my hair is. What will be the correct form?
My hair is neater
My hair is neater.
than
Neater
yours.
than yours. Now, in the last one, we have which star is the bright? So, what would be the
Brightest.
which star is the brightest? Yes. Good. Now, we will go to guided practice. Now, I want you to listen. I'm going to repeat these words and then after you will repeat. Okay? So just listen. Deeper, biggest, polite, smarter. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Deeper,
Deeper.
biggest,
Biggest.
polite,
Polite.
smarter.
Smarter.
Okay, now we are going to read the sentences. I will read them and afterward I want you to read them and tell me, you are going to classify it and tell me what is it. If it's comparing or if it's a superlative. Okay? So let's go. The Pacific Ocean is deeper than Arctic Ocean. Number 2, Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Number 3, you are more polite than Joy. And number 4, she is smarter. She's the smartest girl in her class. Now, I would like you to repeat the sentence and then tell me what is it. Number 1, repeat or read it.
The Pacific Ocean is deeper than Arctic Ocean.
Okay, and what is it?
A comparative.
Good. Now the second one.
Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system.
Good.
That's a superlative.
Now the following.
You are more polite than Joy. That's a comparative.
Okay, and the last one.
She is the smartest girl in our classroom. That's superlative.
Okay, good. Now you will do something else.